You've got to turn the hips, live hand position, and you're turning the hips to get the expression and extension.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
Knuckles represent the edge. Very important to think about that at this point. What you're going to do now is the 8 is like a number 8 boof that fell on its side. So basically you got 2 balloons on either side. It's just zoom, zoom, zoom. Now, you got to think about the fact that these are circles on the end of an 8, right? A snowman falls over, it's a circle. It's not flat. So when you do an 8, what you're going to start with is bend the knees, heels, hips, shoulders, all have to move. Most of the movement, most of the 8 is coming from the feet, the knees, the hips, the shoulders, and then a little bit of flipping the wrist, but not arming, not a lot of arm. So all you're going to do is this. Start from down low. The bottom of one circle. It pulls up, flips over, drops down, and comes up. And it's 1, and you're putting 2 sides to this balloon. So think of it this way. Uppercut, flip it over, but you got to come down to the floor and do an uppercut, kind of like a punya uppercut on the other side. And you got to turn your body. Now, the next point I just want you to see and have out of this is, don't do this. See how the stick is going away from my body? That is doing upwards, upper X's. Upper X's are a very good stroke too. They're optics. You're coming from one side of the body to the other side of the body. It's not what we're doing. Keep it tight to your body like there's a wall. Matter of fact, what I recommend for most people is to get up against the wall, a flat surface, put your stick about a foot away from the wall, and then think about painting the 8 on the walls. Back straight, head up, not this. Don't round everything. And turning the hips. You've got to turn the hips, live hand position, and you're turning the hips to get the expression and extension.